Hey first graders, happy Thursday. Today I'm going to teach you how to address the envelope for the note that you get to mail or drop off for a friend or a neighbor. So first, you're going to address it to whoever you're sending it to in the middle of the card right here. So remember, I'm sending mine to my cousin Daniel, so I'm going to write his name. Oops. So it needs to go in the middle of the letter. And he has the same last name as me, Daniel Rimride. And then on the next line, you're going to write the street address. So he lives on 123 Main Street North. On the next line, you're going to put the city and the state. Okay, but if you remember, I told you that he lives in the Philippines. So I'm going to put his city, which is Manila, and then I need to put the country, which is in the Philippines. And then you need to put the zip code. So the zip code is always 6 digits long. So his is 55662. Now, up in the upper left-hand corner, you need to put your address. This is called the return address. And you need it up there in case the mail can't get delivered. The mail people need to know where to bring the letter back to in case it can't get to them. Put my name and my address. 8302. I'm going to put the school's address, Terrace Road, Northeast. And then our school is in Spring Lake Park. And then you need the state and the zip code, 55432. And I'm going to condense that a little bit. Okay. So now that you've written who you're sending your note to and their address in the middle, and you've written your address and your name and your address in the upper left-hand corner, then you're ready to put your letter inside of it, and then you need to put a stamp in the upper right-hand corner. Okay, that's the way that you pay for a letter to be mailed. And that's all you need to do. Then drop it off in your mailbox. Or if you are just delivering it to somebody that lives in your same building or in your house, then you don't need to put a stamp on there and you can slide it under their door or put it in their mailbox. Have fun!